Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I am going to talk about Midea washing machine 9.5 kg and its model number is MFW-EC950 one touch smartwash, you can see. And this Midea washing machine have a problem, so I will figure out what's the problem and try to solve. Can see when I turn the machine to spin. Now I am selecting spin mode, then press the start button. Can see, wait, see water is coming out of the machine to spin. You can see that's the machine spins well without the cloth. I will now load some fabrics into the machine to test. So first again I select spin mode. That the machine, you can see, shaking a lot, not spinning properly. I will now find out what's the problem and try to fix it as well. Usually this problem can be caused by various reasons. So first, now I will unscrew the all screws on the top side of the machine. Now see that I have opened the top cover first. Then you can see this drum is not balancing. I am showing you what I am doing now. First I will open the top cover of the machine and can see there have lots of screws. I have to open all screws. I have to take off this ring cover. Can see this. If you open this ring cover, you can see inside of it have two parts. I open this cap by inserting a small screwdriver. Usually all of the washing machines are exactly like this. I will now fill it with water. You can see I put the water inside the ring. It should be filled with water completely. You can see first. And putting water. Now I already filled by water. The reason of watering it is because if there is water in it, it will balance properly. So that's why I use water. If it has a small amount of water, then it will shake when you spin. Similarly, as well as you have to open this cover, this ring completely should be filled with water. You can see this part is I will fill it with water and apply it just like before, so that water doesn't come out of it. So be careful. This cover doesn't look the same as it used to, so I will modify it. You can see, first I picked out 2 screws and wrapped thread tape around the screws and attached it. You can see, so that water doesn't come out of it. Be careful. The spring on the front left side of this washing machine was a bit weak, so now I open this spring for repair. Can see how to open this spring. Can see this spring is little bit weak, so I usually try to lengthen it by pulling lightly on both sides of the spring. Then I set the spring exactly as before. Can see this washing machine both sides are balancing, and now I will fix the cover this washing machine as before. I installed all the part exactly as before, and now I will check this machine is okay or not. I hope the previous problem will be solved, inshallah. And if you guys want to watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new kind of video fast. Now I am testing. I put some cloth in the machine, then I select in the spin mode for testing. You can see. Also I am putting some water in it. So now I will turn on the machine. Can see, first select. I already select spin mode. I just select spin mode, and now I am waiting for result. I have to wait some time. You can see the machine is started running without any shaking. We already solved the machine shaking problem. So if you guys watch this kind of video more, please subscribe my channel and comment below what kind of video you want. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.